adventurers! Today I want to take you to a special place where nature is just a step away from the city. I'm talking about Epping Forest, and let me tell you, it's an amazing place to escape the busy life of London and connect with the peace of the forest. Imagine this. It's a Sunday morning. The sun is just rising, and you're about to start a refreshing 9-kilometre walk through one of the most beautiful landscapes near London. We meet at Chingford Station at 10:30, easy to get to with your Oyster Card or Contactless card. From there, we begin our adventure. This event is organised by the Club Hiking in London, CASC, registered with the BMC in collaboration with the Saturday Walkers Club. Both clubs are committed to making hiking an accessible and fun experience for everyone. Epping Forest is perfect for beginner hikers. With an easy difficulty level, this walk is great for families, friends, and even your furry dog companions. The trail is mostly smooth, with some hills that add a little challenge, but nothing we can't handle together. Along the trail, we are surrounded by rich wildlife. The ancient trees tell us stories from the past, and the fresh air fills us with energy. Halfway, we take a break near one of the quiet lakes. It's a perfect time to breathe deeply, admire the reflection of the sky on the water, and maybe enjoy a small picnic. This walk is not only a chance to stretch our legs, but also to reconnect with nature. It's a break from the city noise, and a chance to listen to birds singing and leaves rustling. And guess what? This place used to be a royal hunting ground, so we're walking on paths with hundreds of years of history. After about 3 or 4 hours of exploration and wonder, we finish our walk feeling refreshed and with our hearts full of joy. Epping Forest has given us a perfect day of relaxation and discovery. So, if you ever feel the need to escape the routine and lose yourself in nature, Epping Forest is your place. Don't miss it. See you in the next video, and until then, keep exploring. I hope this journey through the forest has inspired you as much as it has inspired me. Thanks for joining me, and until the next adventure.